Hello, my name is Rick Burzell. Today I'm going to provide a brief overview of the Tific Support Automation Suite for BMC Remedy IT Service Management. Tific is a second-generation support automation platform that dramatically lowers the cost of service support and improves customer satisfaction for tens of millions of Windows end users around the world. Do these sound familiar to you? They're familiar to me. From an end user point of view, I run into these problems all the time. I can't get on the network. I've moved to another location. I can't get wireless connectivity. When I go to another location, I have trouble getting the default printer set or even finding a printer to print on. And a whole variety of issues that I face as I move around from office to office. These common reoccurring problems represent about 25 to 30% of service desk calls. In a large enterprise, there are thousands of calls per month, tens of thousands of calls per year or more, and the average cost of service to speak to an end user over the phone is somewhere between $10, $15, $20 per incident. Multiplied by the number of incidents, and we're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars, and in many cases millions of dollars. So, what if you could eliminate a significant percentage of those calls, deflect them from the service desk entirely, say 25 or 30 or 40%? Would you be interested? And I think the answer is absolutely. So what is Tific? Tific is a support automation solution. The key word here is automation. Tific simply diagnoses and fixes problems for Windows end users automatically. This is often called self-healing. Or it takes the end user step by step through a manual process to fix the problem on their own. This is referred to often as self-service. The Tific Design Center for self-service is the non-technical Windows end user. It's a business user. If Tific cannot remediate the problem through self-healing or self-service, and service desk assistance is required, Tific provides incident intelligence to the Remedy service desk agent that improves first call resolution and lowers call handling time. Finally, Tific is the next generation support automation solution that provides a rapid development environment for automation that eliminates the need for professional programmers, so subject matter experts can develop automation and deploy it. So what can be automated? Tific enables a whole broad range of automation capabilities. It's effectively unlimited. It's just a matter of writing scripts or writing code to do that, to provide the automation. So what can it do? It can detect and address connectivity problems, like reset your proxy settings or connect to a network printer, or identify and resolve device conflicts, such as those that occur during PDA synchronization. It can monitor and reset application and configuration data to meet IT policy. It can ensure your antivirus software is running and up to date. It can determine firewalls are correctly activated. It can confirm trusted URLs are up to date. It can ensure initial installation, setup, and activation of applications. Prepare for a new version of Microsoft Office. Install a local or network printer. Configure a VPN access. It can perform routine maintenance to optimize system performance, like perform routine file cleanup, monitor and defrag the disk if necessary, monitor memory usage, and automatically adjust virtual memory settings. It can help you with simplifying just how-to issues like I want to set up a new account, or I want to personalize my desktop, or I need to reset a password. And finally, it can detect and repair application issues like applications won't launch or they unexpectedly shut down, or they freeze. Tific can assist with resolving those problems automatically for the end user. To demonstrate the impact and value of support automation, let me share with you a simple calculator that will help you estimate the cost savings for a large enterprise organization. This example represents a highly distributed financial services company with offices located across the United States. The service desk is experiencing 2,500 incidents a day. And with 260 business days in a year, that accounts for approximately 650,000 incidents annually. Let's assume that the average cost to remediate an incident by phone is $18 per call. And that 20% of the calls are escalated to level 2, which we all know is more expensive than level 1. And let's assume that the increase in cost is 150% more expensive than a level 1 remediation. Multiply those costs by 650,000 incidents, and the estimated annual cost is a bit over $15 million. Pretty big number. We know from experience that Tific support automation can deflect 30 to 40% of these common reoccurring calls that come from Windows end users. Let's assume we can deflect 20% of the common reoccurring calls to the service desk, and that we can improve our first call resolution by 10%. With Tific Support Automation Suite deployed, we can deflect 130,000 calls and can improve first call resolution, resulting in roughly $2.5 million in savings using automation. There are 3 key elements to the Tific Support Automation Suite. First, automation is developed using the Tific Creator. It is a visual programming tool designed for subject matter experts, not professional programmers, that provides a Visio-style diagramming tool to develop automation and associated content. It offers thousands of reusable building blocks for agile development of support automation that can be published quickly and deployed broadly. The Tific client, which resides on the Windows desktop, is a lightweight agent that draws automation from the Tific server and serves it up to the end user. Tific's unique information reduction feature that only serves up automation that is relevant to the end user's configuration is the cornerstone to improving the success rate of self-service. The client integrates directly to Remedy Incident Management to automatically open and close tickets, but more importantly, the Tific client is responsible for providing valuable information about the end user's configuration to the Remedy support agent to shorten call time and improve first call resolution. That information is provided through the Tific Support Analyst Console. It provides valuable insight into an incident in question. The Support Analyst Console serves up detailed information about the end user's configuration, its current state, recent changes, and any historical information about the steps that the end user has taken to solve the issue on their own. The assisted service capability eliminates the need to discover that information speaking directly to the customer, which shortens call time, lowers customer frustration, and improves confidence with the support staff. Tific extends BMC service support solutions with Windows-based support automation to address the major business drivers within the IT industry today, to reduce IT costs, to minimize the risk of change, to deliver proactive services, to consistently enforce compliance, and to improve overall service delivery and maximize customer satisfaction. Support automation for Windows end users is a key component of lowering overall IT support costs. Tific Support Automation, a BMC Market Zone direct partner, provides an automation solution that empowers the end user to resolve common desktop issues on their own, eliminating calls to the service desk. Some of the metrics that we experience, that customers have experienced using Tific, include the ones you see here. It can reduce end user IT service management costs by 25 to 70%. It can lower call volume by 20 to 40%. Improve first call resolution by 10 to 25%. Reduce call handling time by 15 to 30%. Improve customer satisfaction by 15 to 25%. And reduce incident escalations by 10 to 25%, which we all know are extremely expensive. So in summary, Tific Support Automation Suite for Windows end users, integrated with the Remedy IT Service Management Suite, reduces the number of calls, improves first call resolution, lowers call handling time, reduces the number of escalations, which can be very expensive, and improves customer satisfaction. And at the end of the day, lowering overall IT service support cost. Stay tuned for other videos on Tific, where we will be demonstrating the system performing self-service and self-healing capabilities. Thank you for your time.